Amazon shoppers, wouldn't you love to bring your bathroom decor to another level? This Town Square sink by American Standard, which also goes along with the Town Square toilet by American Standard, is awesome. It looks beautiful in your bathroom, as you can see. Really classes up. It's one of the ones that's a drop-in style, so you have a really nice lip that sits on the counter. This is a great sink for cleaning. The porcelain china bowl is very easy to clean. Doesn't require a lot of scrubbing. It's got the drain right here, the overflow drain, and it has a nice lip around the outside. So even when you're cleaning, it funnels the water right into the sink when it's time to get all the debris and all the water off it. I've had it in place for 10 years. No chips, no stains. It looks as great as the day that I installed it. This is the drop-in style, so you cut the hole in your countertop and then the sink drops in on top. Great fit, really easy to put the faucet in as well. I love how it has these architectural lines, nice and sharp. It looks beautiful. It's like art on your countertop. Now this one here, like I said, also coordinates with the Town Square toilet, so you can go for the complete look, which is pretty cool. Or it also works as a standalone because it's just got these really nice, modern, clean architectural lines. And if you were looking for a way to really class up your countertop, get yourself a really nice sink that looks great, that stands the test of time, this Town Square sink by American Standard is a fantastic sink, and it's a family favorite at our house.